Welcome to the project demonstration of automatic headlight intensity of vehicles during night time. So this project will read the opposite vehicle headlight intensity by using this LDR sensor. These two LEDs representing the present vehicle headlights, and from the LDR sensor we are going to read the light intensity of the opposite vehicle. So LDR nothing but light dependent resistor. Whenever the light is more on the surface of this LDR sensor, so the voltage will be varies, because when there is more light on the surface of the LDR, the resistance will be less, and less light, more resistance. Based on this variable resistance, the controller will get the variable voltage. So we are using PIC 16F72 microcontroller. So we are going to provide the input to the A0 pin, as A0 is an analog input and is a inbuilt A to D converter in the PIC microcontroller. So based on the voltage value, variable voltage from this LDR sensor, the microcontroller will control the intensity of these two LED lights through this transistor board. So we are going to provide the 12 volts input from this regulated power supply board, and we are going to provide the PWM signal, variable PWM signal according to the variable voltage from the LDR board. So main power sources, we are going to provide the 230 volts input from this cable and to this transformer. So it will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts of AC, and from this regulated power supply there will be 4 diodes, so will act as a rectifier, bridge rectifier, which will provide the 12 volts of AC to the 12 volts of pulsating DC. And after this filter and after this 7805 regulator, we will get constant 5 volts power supply. So we are going to provide the constant 5 volts power supply to the microcontroller. When we get the 5 volts power supply, it start reading input from the LDR, and based on the LDR input it will control the intensity based on the pulse width modulation signals to the transistor. It will control the voltage to this LEDs. So let us see the demonstration. And we connected the transistor at C2 pin, as it's a hardware PWM pin of the microcontroller. So after switching on the kit, the light will be indicated 2 times the red light. Green light is a power LED indication. So when there is no lighting, so we can see that the intensity is increasing, and whenever the opposite vehicle is approaching, we can observe the intensity of the headlights will be decreased. And when it's far away, it's increasing and decreasing. So in this manner we can control the high intensity beam falling on the opposite drivers, so that we can decrease the accidents during the night time. So you can see that light. Thank you.